Today I'm going to be showing you how to add adjustment layer in Capcut. Adding an adjustment layer is a pretty easy thing to do, so let's get started. First, open the Capcut application in your mobile phone. Then click on the New Project button and select any video and click on the Add button. Now scroll the bar given below and click on the Adjust option. Now you can adjust brightness, saturation, exposure, anything, and click on the button given below right corner. As you can see, the adjustment layer has been added. You can select it and delete it, split it, copy and edit it again.